Tony.
Are you sure that's what you want?
I think we're done here. You know your way out.
Eden, I don't even get a thank you for bringing the proofs.
Thank you. Get out.
Eden, why don't you go wait in the car, all right?
No.
Well, this is what you get for hanging out in the bathtub too long and hanging out in this drafty garage. It's not going to help anything, okay? So go. Back to
I
the
am
car.
not waiting in the car.
You know what? Suit yourself. That's fine. But our friend, when he look like he's going to show.
And if our friend is for real... If Bill and Daddy are in trouble, then I am not leaving until we help them.
Whole lot of help you are right now, Eden. It's the middle of January. You should put on a heavier coat. You know that? Here, take this. Take this.
I was outside all day, auto force, and nothing but lingerie. Do you really think a heavier coat would help at this point?
Who is that? Is that you?
Miss Eden, your desire to protect Bill didn't compel you to ask around to see who might be causing trouble for him? I'll take that as a yes. You two are too young to remember the radio show, but the Shadow knows.
Folks are welcome to stay in here out in the rain for a while.
Oh, thank you. Easy. How much your leg?
Gesundheit.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Yes,
Well, you people got good manners. For city folk.
It was so simple back then. Now everything is just...
No. Don't get upset. Come on. Let's sit down. Right?
Thanks for taking such good care of me, Julian.
What else would I do for the woman I love? I'm sorry that we didn't find a son tonight.
It's not your fault. You did everything you could to find him. It's Alice who keeps throwing up the roadblocks.
Well, thank you for understanding. Yeah, let me in there. Get my body heat to help keep you warm.
The dampness makes it feel so much colder.
What's going on in here? What happened?
Nothing. There's an accident.
Then why do you two look like a couple of burglars that just got caught in the act? Bless you. What? Hey, honey, you're sneezing.
No.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, I bought the plant. I didn't know that she was allergic. So I was going to take it out of here. Then we actually both grabbed it at the same time. And then
Okay, can I help you clean this
No,
up?
I got it.
Okay, I have to go to court. I got Greg Evans' sentencing.
Excuse me. Honey,
Yeah,
what really happened in there?
nothing. Okay, we'll talk later, okay?
You cold, Tabby? I don't want to go any further. I have a very bad feeling about where we are. Timmy thinks he knows why. Look. Oh, no. I, for one, need a treat after last night. Shoo! Oh, that's just dandy. Not only didn't we not get the girl, I'm coming down with a cold after tramping about in that damp fog all night.
What about Timmy? Timmy's stuffing is soaked through. He'll never get dry.
God bless you. You okay? Bless you. You okay? What did I miss?
Nothing, Miguel, nothing.
You know what? If are you okay?
Yeah.
If I was wrong about Fox being sick, you know, I can't even imagine what else I've been wrong about.
You can't be sick. You can't be... much for mind over matter. Come in. Are you feeling any better, Kim? Oh, I'm sorry to disappoint you, but I'm afraid I'm going to recover. It's just a cold.
Yeah, but it's hanging on. Don't you think you should see a doctor?
I live with a doctor.
But your cough sounds worse. It could be pneumonia.
Yeah, or maybe it's even the bubonic plague.
I was just concerned.
Save it, Eleanor. It's just a cold. A common, everyday cold. And I don't need your concern. It's a matter...
Come on now. Get back in bed and pull up the covers. When'd you take your last aspirin?
About 2 minutes ago.
Okay, you sound miserable here.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I feel responsible.
You are responsible. If you hadn't left me out there on that freezing balcony while you and my mother played a Music Appreciation 101A.
Wow, I could fall asleep.
Good. I want you to feel comfortable with me, Cassie.
I do.
Are you all right? Is it too much?
I'm sorry.
You feel better?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. See?
Oh, my allergies are driving me crazy.
Are you all right?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine.
No. You've been wandering around in wet clothes for I don't know how long in air conditioning. And now you feel hot.
I do?
Didn't you? What are we gonna do now?
We'll have to find someplace else to live, I think.
What is all of this crap?
My things, I actually packed light. All my winter stuff is here anymore.
You were out of your head.
Bless you. Thank you. You did bring a lot of stuff, though, Lizzie. I have to be comfortable, don't I?
Get in here.
I'm going to unpack, and you won't even know that I'm here, okay?
I'll know.
Are you guys having second thoughts?
Are you getting sick?
I don't think so. I think I might be allergic.